Okay, let's find the diameter, which will be our value for B. Let's look at our wheel. So select that. And the height and the width of the wheel should be the same. The thickness will be different. Now, depending on how you rotated this, the X, Y, and Z dimensions may not match what you think. But what you're looking for are the two numbers that are the same, because up and down and left and right should be the same. So looking at this, that number is the same as this number. So I'm going to right click on X. Oh, it's not let's do this again. I was going to make this a driver, but I forgot you can't actually link these as a driver, but you can link the scale, but that's not really useful. So I'm going to go to X, and I'm going to click on it and highlight just the number, not the M. Once I have that highlighted, Control C, and it didn't show up here on the keyboard thing for some reason. So Control C to copy that. Now select your cube, go to B wheel diameter, hover over that, press Control V, and that will copy the wheel's diameter. Next, we need to find the radius, so that's letter C. We're going to take the wheel diameter, hover over that, right click, copy as new driver. I'm coming down to C. I'm going to right click on C. I'm going to paste that as a driver. So now if I change this number, C will automatically update for me. I'm going to right click, select edit driver. I'm going to change the type of number that we're doing. We're going to go down to scripted expression, and it's got a word or some words, B underscore wheel underscore driver. We're going to leave that alone for this one. We're going to go to the end, hit the divide sign, which is above the number 8 on the number pad, and we're going to put a 2. So we're going to divide the diameter by 2, and that will give us the radius. So you can see that C is now half of B, wheel diameter, then divide that in 2 to get the wheel radius. Now we're going to find the circumference, which is the length around the outside of the wheel. So we're going to go to C, hover over it, right click, copy as new driver, go down to wheel circumference, right click, paste driver, hover over this value, right click, edit driver. We're going to change this to a scripted expression. We're going to take all of this and put it in brackets, or whatever you call them. And we're going to add 2 and the multiply sign, which is above the number 9 on the number pad. And then the brackets will tell Blender to multiply 2 times this, add a multiply sign at the end. And we're going to put pi down a few decimal points so it's a little more accurate. So 3.14159.265. We're going to hit enter. And now this is the length from this point all the way around back to that point. In our next video, we will look at finding out how many times the wheel should turn along the track.